You ask Tiger to solve. This deals with linear equations with one unknown. The final result is x equals 360. Let's solve it step by step. Simplify the expression. Simplify the arithmetic. Simplify the fraction. Group the coefficients. Find the lowest common denominator. Multiply the denominators. Multiply the numerators. Combine the fractions. Combine the numerators. Find the greatest common factor of the numerator and denominator. Factor out and cancel the greatest common factor. Isolate the x. Multiply both sides by inverse fraction 72/1. Group like terms. Multiply the coefficients. Simplify the fraction. Simplify the arithmetic. And so the final result is x equals 360.